Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your bitamp.com website. To change your language on your Bitamp account using the website is super easy. Launch or open a web browser of your choice first. In the URL box, type in bitamp.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your Bitamp account if you are not already. Once you are logged in, go to the top left corner and you will be able to see this little drop down where it will showcase your chosen language or your default language. You will then be able to see a list of language options you can choose from. Select one of the options from the list that is available in order to change your language on your Bitamp account. So that is how it's super easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.